Assalamu alaikum guys, welcome back to Civil Engineers YouTube channel. In this video lecture I will guide you how to make a house plan step by step in the dimensions of 30 feet by 75 feet. The width is 30 feet and the length is 75 feet. So I will guide you step by step. So if you need house planning, structural drawing, 3D animation for any type of building, so you can contact me on this WhatsApp number. This is paid services, not for free. Guys, here the width is 30 feet and the length is 75 feet. So this is ground floor plan. Ground floor plan. Remember guys, here let me focus the camera. Okay, so this is roadside, this is road. Okay, here guys, first of all we have two side open. Okay, back side also its front, especially for lawn. So back side is open passage which width is 5 feet. Okay, so guys, let me show you. This is 5 feet and right side is also 5 feet. So this is also 5 feet. Okay, so back side is 5 feet. This is open to sky, so this is passage. Okay, and this is the other one which width is, so this is side passage. Okay, so this one is also side passage. Also this is 5 feet. Okay guys, here I am starting from here. This is its front side. So the first one guys, you can see here, this is lawn, this one, this is lawn. Okay, and the lawn width is 10 feet. This is 10 feet. Let me focus the camera. And here guys, you can see this is car porch, this one. And here let me show you, the first one is here. As you can see, so these are columns. This is other column. Here we have also the column. Okay. So this is porch, which size is here 12 feet 9 inches by 13 feet. 12 feet 9 inches by 13 feet. So this is the size of porch. Next guys, here let me show you the main entrance. So these are steps for main entrance. Okay, so here we are creating the door. Okay, so this is a door for this one. Okay, so when you enter by this door, so first of all guys, you will find a lobby here at this place. So let me show you. Here at this position I will make the other door. Here we have also the door. So the first one you will find, and this is what, this is the drawing room. Okay, the size of this drawing room is 15 feet by 13 feet. This is a drawing room and this is its window, which front is specially for this lawn. Width of this lawn is 10 feet. Okay, next guys, we have here their dining, this one. Okay, so this is the dining. Size of this dining is, dining room, which size is dining room. Size of this dining room is 11 feet by 11 feet. Okay, and here guys, we have the access from this drawing room to this dining. So this is the sliding door here. Okay, this is sliding door. Next guys, here as I told you before, this is a small lobby here, and this one is a powder room. This is powder room. Size of this powder room is 6 feet by 4 feet, and here we have the access to this. So here we have also the sliding door. Okay, especially for this living room. Okay, next with this living room, here we have the space for stairs. Okay, guys, you can see these are stairs for first floor. Okay, so this is up. Width of the stair is 8 feet. Each flight width is 3.5 feet. Okay, next guys, here you can see this is lawn. This is living room. This is living room. Okay, or you can say TV lounge. Okay, size of this living room is 12 feet by 15 feet. 12 feet by 15 feet. Next with this stair, here guys, you can see this one. Here you can see this one. Okay, so this is living room. Here guys, you can see this is the door for kitchen, and this is the door for bedroom, this one. Okay, so in this bedroom guys, you can see we have the dressing room, also the bath. Okay, so this is dress room, and this one is bath. Okay, size of this bath is 5 feet by 7 feet, and this is 5 feet by 5 feet. Okay, and the size of this bedroom is 12 feet 9 inches by 16 feet. 12 feet 9 inches by 16 feet. So this is the bedroom, and this one is the kitchen. The kitchen size is 10 feet 4.5 inches by 16 feet. But at the back side guys, we have here this one, and here in this kitchen guys, we have a pantry here. Size of this pantry is 5 feet by 5 feet, and here we have a small veranda at the back side. This is its door. Okay, so this is a small veranda which size is 5 feet and 9 inches. 5 feet 9 inches. This is veranda. Okay, so here these are dotted lines. Okay, so from this veranda you can access to this open sky or open passage. So this is a kitchen. Size of this kitchen is 10 feet 6 inches by 16 feet. Inside 16 feet we have a pantry. So this is about 11 feet. You can say 10 feet by 11 feet. Next guys, remember, as you can see, for this kitchen, you can see in this pantry we have a window. This is the window. Okay, in this veranda we have the window here. Especially if you see here, this is the large window which is about 8 feet. This is 8 feet window. This is a powder room. For this powder room you have here also the ventilation, or a small window, you can keep it here. Okay, in this lobby you can use it also a window. You can also keep the window for this drawing room. These are windows. Okay, so this is a lobby. Size of this lobby is 6 feet by 8 feet. Okay guys, so here we have the main door, our main gate. using for car entrance. Okay, and this is the boundary wall. So guys, you can see this is a house plan in the dimensions of 30 feet by 75 feet. You can see here we have one bedroom, attached terrace and bath, one kitchen, pantry, veranda, two passage, side passage, back side passage, living room, stair hall, dining room with drawing room, front car porch, and this is the lawn. Okay, so this is the roadside. Hope this short video can help you how to make a house plan step by step in the dimensions of 30 by 75 feet. Hope this short video can help you. Thanks for watching. See you in next video. Goodbye.